Hi, this is K. Srikanth here from Control Print Solutions. Now in this video we're going to talk about how do you audit your existing vendor in a managed printing solution environment without even the vendor knowing it. Now many questions will arise. How do we do this? Why should we do this? Do we have time to do this? Now you are in perfect position to audit your existing vendor. Why? You will actually come to know whether your vendor is a 24 karat gold or is a crooked guy. Now there are various means of doing it, but one of the simplest means of doing an audit of your existing vendor is first get a list of your top 10 or top 20 printers which are being printed more and more. Make a list of that printer with the model number, serial number and number of pages printed for the preceding month. Now get a key IT or an admin guy to visit these printers before the month end, before the vendor is taking the page counts of these printers. Right? Ask him to take a page count, put it in an Excel sheet and keep. 90% of the time when somebody is fudging the bills, it is done through the page counts. The vendor is increasing the page counts at the end of the month. When you have an Excel sheet which shows the correct data, which is probably about 3 or 4 days earlier to this, when the vendor submits a bill, you are able to actually correlate with that. At any point of time, you will be able to know where the vendor is actually hitting 10 sixes in an over. It will clearly be identified, right? Or it will be clearly identified that the vendor is 24 karat gold. Keep doing this for a quarter and repeat it maybe after 9 months to 12 months. I am not saying this practice is rampant, but what I am saying is customers need to be aware to evaluate your vendors. Customers need to be aware that the vendor is crooked or vendor is pure gold. This will really help you. Thank you very much, Srikanth.